Today I am going to show you the step 1 to solve a Rubik's Cube. So let's start. For doing the step 1, we should have the yellow house at the top. So we have got the yellow house at the top. Now we have to bring all the white edges. Why? Because the opposite of yellow is white. 1, 2, 3, 4. So first let us take a look at the right. Here there are no edges. There is only a corner. So we cannot use that. Now let's take a look at the left. Here there are two edges. We can use them to fill the top one and the left one and the right one. So, but if I put it like this middle one will also shift. So we have to first tilt it and then we have to put it. So we have done two edges. Now we are going to do the third and the fourth one. So let's take a look at the front. There is no edges and there is no white squares. So now let's take a look at the back. Same, there is no edges, no white corners. So means they are at the bottom. So here added two edges. So we have to bring it at the top. So let's see first their position. 1, 2, 1, 2. So we have got all the 4 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like this, I showed you the step 1 in which we had to bring the edges on the top. Thank you for watching this video. Till that time, bye-bye.